In recent decades, there has been an increase in demand for floriculture products with increasing income. It is a growing industry in Asian countries, including India. Floriculture is an emerging area with great potential, both in the domestic as well as export market. Espak Agrotech Pvt Ltd is a leading company in the field of horticulture, involved in setting up of high-tech floriculture projects, mainly for production of cut flowers and vegetables under polyhouse. The company is having trained and experienced manpower for implementing various aspects of the projects like project reports, finance, polyhouse construction, selection of plants and irrigation systems.
Espak Agro was established in the year 2000 with the main objective of setting up of high-tech horticulture projects. Over the decade, company has established more than 100 successful high-tech horticulture projects throughout India. The main activity of the company is to take up turnkey high-tech horticulture projects. The company has required expertise and manpower to implement highly challenging projects throughout India. The main activities undertaken by the company include preparation of bankable project reports, then arranging banking financial assistance for the eligible projects, liaising with the government agencies and the departments to obtain all necessary clearances and available subsidies for the beneficiaries, creation of greenhouse structures, that is polyhouses for cultivation of flowers and vegetables and protected cultivation, then the supply of high quality planting materials of tissue culture origin, then the installation of high tech irrigation gadgets like misting, fogging and inline drip irrigation systems along with fertigation equipments, then the preparation of soil and making of beds for planting the floriculture plants.
The main component of floriculture is fabrication of the polyhouse or the greenhouse. A polyhouse in India is of a naturally ventilated type with a normal bay width of 8 meters, a length of 4 meters multi-spans and height of 5 to 6 meters with a gutter height of 3.5 meters. The structure will be covered with 200 micron polythin film and with a movable shade net covering to reduce the sunlight during summer months. The sides will be covered by the shade net's ventilation and a rollable polyfilm arrangement will be done to regulate the temperature and humidity as and when required. These polyhouses are suitable for growing cut flowers like Gerbera, carnation, roses, chrysanthemum, anthuriums and liliums, and vegetables. The company has designed and developed a model Gerbera project at Hebbalalu village of Magadi Taluk near Bangalore.
The high-tech horticulture projects involves several steps. The first and the foremost important step is the purchase of land. To give an example, we have a model farm. In this farm, we began our activities with leveling of the land. Plain barren land was leveled and the entire land was fenced. In the next stage, we have drilled 4 bore wells, which is having optimum yield. The water quality and quantity is very important and essential fact in determining the crop and the extent of the area. In this project, we have chosen Gerbera as the soil is suitable for that crop. Gerbera is a cut flower which is widely used for marriage decorations and for arrangements in bouquets. The next important stage in this project is the setting up of the greenhouse. Our fabricator has done this wonderful job in a matter of around 60 days. The entire project took 3 months for completion, and in the next 3 months the yield was started. The greenhouse consists of GI structure and movable shade nets with film on the top. The land preparation was done simultaneously using the required media like farmyard manure and coco peat. The planting was done after creating beds and the overhead misting system. The unit is having centralized pumping unit for pumping water to the drip and sprinkler irrigation system. In this unit, around 50 female workers are working and they are all from the local area. So unit is providing employment for around 50 female laborers throughout the year.
Gerbera belongs to the family. Composite plants are stemless, tender, perennial herbs producing flowers of wide range of colors. Gerbera grows well in soil beds with a pH range of 5.5 to 6.5 and electrical conductivity of less than 1. The soil should be porous and well drained for better growth. These are grown on raised beds of 45 cm height, bed width of 60 cm and pathway of 30 cm width. After adding manure, sand and necessary basal doses, beds are prepared and well watered using micro sprinklers or hose showers. Plants are planted 2 centimeters above the soil level to avoid crown rotting. 2 rows of plants are planted per bed with 30 centimeters between rows. Immediately after planting, plants will be irrigated through micro sprinklers. Beds will be maintained with a moderate moisture level. The fertilizers will be given through drip tubes at regular intervals. After 3 months of planting, harvesting of flowers will be started. Plucking the flowers will be done in the morning hours when the temperature is low. After harvesting, flowers will be immersed in buckets with water. The flowers will be carried to the packing hall and the grading will be done by length and diameter of flowers. Each flower will be enclosed with a plastic sleeve and will be bunched in a pack of 10. These bunches are again kept in buckets with water, and each bucket can hold 25 to 30 bunches. These flowers will be sent to the flower market along with water. Generally, Gerbera plants are infested by pests and diseases. Regular spraying of plant protection chemicals will be done. Insect pests and diseases are monitored on a regular basis by our consultants and technical staff. The humidity, temperature, pH, and electrical conductivity of soil and water are checked on a regular basis using in-house instruments. To maintain the water quality, rain harvesting will be done by channelizing the rainwater collected from the polyhouse to the water storage tank of appropriate size. The tank supplies water to the polyhouses by means of drip irrigation and micro sprinklers. A well-equipped service area is required to do the irrigation, misting, and spraying of chemicals. This service area consists of power generator, electrical equipments, sprayers and chemicals, and fertilizer storage. The surrounding area of polyhouses is kept clean and tidy to reduce the pest infestations. The aesthetic appeal of the project will increase the efficiency of the working people and the staff.
guiding the farmers in cultivational aspects at each and every stage of the crop, guiding the farmers for harvesting, packing and post-harvest management, then arranging marketing tie-ups by identifying potential buyers and important markets. Lastly but the least, providing market intelligence for the customers. We are happy that Espak Agro Consultancy Services is able to satisfy the needs of the farmers and to bring in smiles on their faces.
Floriculture is a specialized activity for which Espak Agrotech can be a backbone to farmers in all aspects of the project from start to finish, which will benefit the farmers to prosper financially.